So I'll just very quickly walk you through how we are going to go about with respect to the live and video classes, the D2H classes as well, and how the whole process works. So first of all, what are we going to be providing to you? So basically all the lectures are available, are covered. Now in live classes it is not possible to cover all the 80 plus readings in a 6 months bracket. So therefore what we do is the lectures are going to be given to you. There would be some readings in the classroom, there would be some readings which are provided to you, and the D2H students get all the lecture together in the first go. So basically there will be multiple folders, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and each of the folders you will have part 1, part 2, part 3. So chapter 1 there is video part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. So in this way you will have every single reading. Every single LOS is always going to be covered in the lectures, so you don't have to worry about it. Whenever there are changes in the syllabus, say for example 2018 to 19 or 19 to 20 or 20 to 21, whenever there is a change in the syllabus, the changes are going to be updated and provided to you. So there's a new reading, the new reading is going to be shared on Google Drive as and when completed in the live classes, because you may have enrolled earlier, the books might be out and it's going to be covered in the live class. It will be shared with you, and if there are any additions, deletions or any changes in the chapters, that is also going to be shared with you. So every single LOS is going to be covered. Now you will be getting an order of study which you will have to follow. So basically if I've told you to do chapter 14 first, you do 14, then 13, then 40. So whatever is the order of study, a logical order of study is provided, and you're supposed to be following that, and you're supposed to be completing this one. So the first, there is another set of lectures that's there in the guidance lectures folder. So in this there is the introduction class which we are having right now as we speak. So this is the introduction lecture where we are just giving you a outline of the syllabus, the exam, the preparation, the material, etc. Then there is a calculator one which most of you guys would be knowing. So if there are certain functions that you don't know, you can just check this out. So every single button of the calculator has been covered. Then how to study and attempt. So my advice is, after doing just a couple of readings, go through this how to study and attempt. Just do a couple of readings if you want, so you'll get used to the you'll again get in the studying mode, and then make sure you watch the how to study and attempt. Once the entire curriculum is completed based on the order of study, you are to watch how to revise and how to attempt. How to attempt is all the paper tricks and all. So how exactly you're supposed to be attempting the paper, with serial order, how to manage time, everything. So you have to watch this. Extremely important. Revise is just a very quick way of how you can go about revising and all. You should go through this in order to plan revision with me. If you want to plan your revision by yourself, it's fine. But attempt is extremely important. You got to do that. So that is what you do towards the end. Then you have your revision starting off. So for the revision, we have the mind maps. That is basically a flowchart or shortened version of readings. For all the other levels of CF and FRM, it's ready. FRM part 2 is kind of 50, 60 readings are there, because there are a lot of readings which are so easy and theoretical that the key concepts in the book is also working as a mind map. So barring a few readings and current issues, we've got the mind maps ready for more or less all the readings. So that is one. The next thing is, you will have both the practice books, so that you're supposed to be practicing. Along with that, if there is any handout needed, we will take care of that. If there is any additional note or something is needed, will be taken care of. But most of it I'll be giving you in writing in case there's something else to be marked. So in the book you can mark most of it. So anything extra, anything additional that is needed, we'll keep on doing as and when we do the class. Along with that, you'll have your formula sheets and all. So formulas, you ideally should be making it by yourself in your own handwriting. You get a little bit of habit of making it, practicing it, but we'll also be giving it to you. The next thing is going to be, one second. Okay, there will be a performance tracker. So there will be a PDF version as well as an Excel version. So basically what I do is, PDF version is to give you an idea. You can keep on ticking that, okay, I've done practice of this chapter, I've done studying of this chapter, and I've marked it dark and light also. I've shaded it in such a manner where you understand this chapter practice is more important. This chapter you may skip. So I've shaded it and I've given the instructions on the PDF, so that won't be a problem. The Excel one is basically a little formula oriented, so you can just put your performance over there and it'll give you the analysis directly, that what percent is completed in what time frame and how much chapters you have to cover in the next week or so. So that will be given by the tracker in Excel. So you can use it as you want. The PDF seems to be more useful personally, so that seems to be more important to me. Then the mock test will again be posted, as I told you, towards the end of the exam, towards your exam. The mock and all those details will be posted in your group, so that will be provided. Other than that, with respect to your doubt session, so both the live and the video students will be a part of WhatsApp group. So try posting your doubts, nothing other than doubts in the WhatsApp group. You can post doubts in WhatsApp group, solve each other's doubt, it becomes easier. And I've seen people who are more actively participating in the groups, they tend to start personal chatting, and you get your study partner and all. It becomes easy, it becomes quite good to study that way. So that is fine. Other than that, you will get time where you can call for the doubts and all. It generally increases more towards the exam time and less right now, because I'm more busy taking the classes and updating the syllabus and everything, with the syllabus and everything. So that's how we go about with respect to your doubt sessions. Don't post anything other than doubts. If you have any query, any issue, ping the coordinator first. She will give you most of the answers. I've kept it with her. If she is not able to resolve, if she is not getting back to you within a day's time, then you get back to me. So anytime, any issue you have, and we have the numbers, we give you all the numbers. So if you have a technical query, there is a WhatsApp number given. This is also a WhatsApp number, mind you. If you have any other issue, you ping the coordinator first, and if any issue does not get resolved within 1 working day, in that case you call me. The rest of the number is same. So if there's any issue that is not resolved within 1 working day, you get back to me. And try to ping the coordinator, try to ping the technical desk, send them a WhatsApp and give them some time to get back, because they're solving all the queries of so many students simultaneously. Just leave a WhatsApp and don't get irritated. Just leave a WhatsApp, and within 1 working day, your issue is going to be resolved. If not, with your user ID and screenshot, ping me personally and I'll take care of it. So that is more or less about it, I believe. And there will be revision lectures. Sorry, I forgot to mention. So guidance lectures are there, then there are revision lectures, which will be having revision of the part 2 chapters. And there's another folder that you'll have, revision of past level lectures. So part 1, say for example a CCP or some chapters which are relevant to part 2. So the revision lectures of part 1 are also, some of the chapters based on the relevance is included in part 2. So that also you'll be having access to the part 1 revision lectures, some of them which are relevant to you as well, in order to get it, in order to catch up with the part 2 curriculum easily. So that is how we go about it. If there's any other question, you tell me. The classes are going to be bilingual, so you have to be comfortable with both English and Hindi in order to do the classes. You get 7 views for all the classes. The classes generally run on Windows laptop. We don't have the Android version ready yet. On MacBooks, generally people run parallel windows, and then there are a lot of students who are running the classes on MacBook, but that is on parallel windows. So otherwise, that is your requirement. The videos sent are going to be encrypted, so it plays on a software, so there will be nothing else on the laptop that will play once you're playing the classes, because we don't want any kind of security issues. So how does it work is basically you can ping over here, you can get the link and all that, so you can just make you can just fill the form and get all the details and all done on the website. The moment that is done, it takes 3 working days for us to dispatch the material, get it ready and everything. Within 6 to 7 days, you generally get the material. In the meanwhile, you can do a couple of chapters that I've uploaded it online for you on YouTube. So you can watch the couple of chapters till the time you have access to, till the time you get the pen drives delivered. Once the pen drive is delivered, you install the software. A manual is given to install the software. And if you still have an issue, ping the tech desk. They will take it on a TeamViewer or AMI admin, so they can do the screen sharing, and they will help you with the installation just in case you're getting stuck. Otherwise, it's a very simple set of instructions given in the manual. Follow that, you're installed, you're good to go. And follow the instructions I've told you. I've given you the order of study. Strictly follow the order of study and go ahead with it. And once your registration and online thing is done, once we dispatch the material, after that you are added to the WhatsApp group, your user ID is created. It takes us a couple of 2-3 days in order to get those things sorted. And there's one more thing. And after your dispatch mail is given, then 24 hours later your tracking ID will be given, because we need to do a lot of dispatch happens together, and the tracking ID gets updated a little later after 24 hours. And if there's any issue, you ping over here on these numbers. And if you don't get a response within 24 hours, just in case they've skipped, you can always ping me. Is there anything else that I'm skipping? Another couple of things that was there. So there are 7 views per reading, per video. Every single video will have a 7 views. In case you need more, in case, because of technical error or something, you've exhausted most of them, just ping the technical desk, user ID, increase the view of this, they will do it. So that is not an issue. We just want to restrict any kind of misuse. And one set of classes will play only on one laptop. In case your laptop is not working or something, ping the tech desk, you can shift to another laptop. But parallelly, you cannot play on multiple laptops at the same time. Just in case you defer your exam, or I hope not, but you do not clear the exam, in that case, you just need to send the deferral screenshot of the mail from the institute or your result, and the validity will be extended. And if there's any changes in the syllabus, May to November there are no changes, November to next year May could be changes, that is going to be shared on Google Drive with you as and when completed in the live class. And you need to get shifted to the next group. So exit the old group and get yourself into the new group. So you can always ping the coordinator and all those things will be taken care of. But first, for any simple, small, big, whatever issue, ping the coordinator first. In case you don't get a reply, or if they are not able to reply to your question, then get back to me. And is there anything else that I'm missing? No, I don't think so. Just think about it. If there's anything else that I've skipped, just let me know. If there's anything else. Perfect. All good. Just think about it. Take a minute. No, I guess that's about it. So this is how we are going to go about it, right? So just and follow the instructions. We'll keep on pushing a lot of things. We'll keep on posting, articles, news, whatever good is there. And we've also started with placement assistance. So you can always ping the coordinator. She'll put you in touch with the relevant person. So we have a lot of requirements, especially for the experienced people, also for the freshers, because we want to push them. So there are a lot of requirements that are coming to us, and we are trying to push your profiles as well. So even if you're looking for placement, or even if there is a vacancy at your bank, your financial institution, your company, whatever be it, you can always ping us. You can earn referral bonus if you want, and we can send you good profiles and all. We can filter it out. We'll do the hard work. We don't want anything in return, but we want to help students get placed in the best of places. So you can also connect for placement related stuff over here, right?